I'm here to help y'all make the most money that y'all can, okay? Because it's all about getting to the bag. It's all about making the maximum coin. Hey babes, it's your girl Brii, aka Brii the Goddess, and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to start a channel, you know, for us, by us, you know. When I first started out bartending and being a bottle girl, there wasn't really much content out for us, you know, that really showcased the industries that I'll be working in, obviously. So a little bit about me. I've been bartending for about 5 years. I worked in everything from fine dining to clubs to lounges to restaurants. So I kind of got a little bit of a well-rounded knowledge of the hospitality industry. My motto is look good, make money. Okay, I believe that if you look good, you feel good, you make your money. Like you're your best self. I believe that knowledge, you know, leads to more money, better tips, and I also be learning along the way with you all. Like I said, I've only been bartending for 5 years. I'm not a 10, 15-year veteran, so obviously I'm going to be learning with you all along the ways, but hopefully I can cover, you know, those basics that I know, the basic information that I know I was looking for when I first started out, and, you know, others may be looking for as well. You don't have to know every drink recipe, obviously. Nobody does. Or maybe there is someone, I don't know. But you don't have to know every drink recipe. You just have to know what you gotta know. On this channel, I wanna teach a lot of the basics, whether you're new to bartending or whether you are a seasoned bartender and you just wanna go over a few things. I wanna answer questions. I wanna be engaging with my audience. I know when I first started bartending, there wasn't a whole lot of content out there for me to relate to and to kind of understand the industry I was about to get myself into. So I definitely want to be that person that doesn't mind, you know, giving y'all the nitty gritty, telling y'all the truth about, you know, the hospitality industry and how it really is. For a lot of black female bartenders and bottle girls and hookah girls out there, when you're looking on YouTube, you know, more than likely you're trying to or working in a strip club or a lounge or a club, and you know, that's more of the demographic I wanted to appeal to because there was nothing out there like that for us when I first started. So we're gonna go over some of the basics on this channel as well, and then we're gonna spice it up with some, you know, with some new age stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe below. I also plan on, you know, partnering with other bartenders on this channel, other bottle girls, even hookah girls, so y'all can really get, you know, the knowledge y'all need to go out there and get that bartending position, get that bottle girl position, get that hookah position that y'all want. Mask mandates are being lifted and things are opening back up, so now is the time to make that money. Lots of people are hiring, and it's a really lucrative industry to work in. I'm here to help y'all get to the bag, okay? It's all about making the maximum coin. It's summertime. There's lots of money out here to be made. People are ready to go back outside, okay? People ready to go back outside, sis. If there are any questions or videos you want to see or topics you want to see covered, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below. You know, I love to see it and I want to get that feedback from you all so I can make sure I'm, you know, giving you the information you guys actually want. It provides for better content for you all. I'm so excited for y'all to go on this journey with me to just becoming a better bartender. Like, who doesn't want to make the most money they can?